one key thing that Alotech does different than a typical investor as far as their financial planning goes is if, let's say we're only interested in investing in just the hard goods, we will help them find other investors that may be interested and may be better suited for manufacturing, because there are a lot of investors that love to invest in property and love to invest in low capex companies, but we tend to invest in the equipment and the materials and the manpower to take their product to market. But what we don't do is we don't really invest in the marketing and the sales efforts. So we view that as just as important. And so what we try to do is help them find investors that can help them use that money and that equity to invest in their marketing and sales. But yes, we do have a network of investors that like that type of risk, and that's really what you're looking for is an investor that's comfortable with the risk of a manufacturing company that requires some assistance getting off the ground. So a good percentage of our customers currently use multiple streams of financing. We just usually come at the cheapest cost. Because if you're looking for an outside investor just to put cash in, that's going to come at a lot higher equity cost, where we try to stay away from equity. If anything, we'll take, let's say we've taken several companies to sale, from an invention to a sale. What we try to do is if we do add something onto our traditional just cost plus model, is what we'll do is, okay, if your company's worth $1 million pre-sales, and then in 2 or 3 years you sell it for $5 million post-sales because we've helped you create the sales through manufacturing, we may get a 2 or 3% of the delta of what that's worth. So that'll be an incentive for us to help you grow. But otherwise, we really just rely on our buying power to save money, and then we typically try to what we call the Alotech Share Program, where if you come to us and your current cost of goods is $50 and we can drop that down to $20, we'll give you $15 savings and we'll keep $15 of the savings, because we work to help you acquire that savings.